Rajeev Shukla, currently serving as the Vice President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI), is set to take over as the acting president following Roger Binny's impending departure upon reaching the age limit of 70 on July 19. Shukla, aged 65, will assume the interim role for 3 months until the BCCI's annual general meeting in September, where a new president will be elected. The Indian Institute of Technology IIT Kanpur has released the JEE Advanced 2025 results. Rajit Gupta from the IIT Delhi zone secured the top position with a score of 332 out of 360. Notably, Saksham Jindal also scored 332 marks, sharing the highest score. Devdutta Majhi from the IIT Kharagpur zone emerged as the top-ranked female candidate, achieving CRL 16 with 312 marks. In a significant escalation, Ukraine executed Operation Spider's Web, a covert drone assault targeting Russian air bases deep within its territory. The operation reportedly destroyed and damaged 41 long-range bombers, including Tu-95, Tu-22M3 and A-50 aircraft, accounting for approximately 34% of Russia's strategic bomber fleet. The drones were clandestinely transported in trucks and launched from within Russia, showcasing Ukraine's innovative tactics in the ongoing conflict. Indian Grandmaster Gukesh achieved a landmark victory over former world champion Magnus Carlsen in the 6th round of the Norway Chess 2025 tournament. Despite being in a challenging position, Gukesh capitalized on a rare blunder by Carlsen to secure his first classical win against the Norwegian. The match concluded with Carlsen displaying visible frustration, an unusual reaction from the seasoned player. 1-8 Commune, a Bengaluru-based pub co-owned by cricketer Virat Kohli, has been booked for violating the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act (COTPA). The establishment allegedly failed to provide a designated smoking area, leading to a suo motu case registered by the Kanpur police under sections 4 and 21 of COTPA. Severe flooding in Manipur has impacted over 19,000 residents and damaged approximately 3,300 houses. The Indian Army and Assam Rifles have launched Operation Jal Rahat 2, conducting extensive rescue operations in affected areas including Imphal East and West. Efforts include evacuating civilians, distributing essential supplies, and repairing breached river embankments to mitigate further damage. India has reported a surge in COVID-19 cases, with active infections reaching 3,961. Kerala leads with 1,435 cases, followed by Maharashtra 506, Delhi 483 and Gujarat 338. The increase is attributed to factors such as waning immunity, relaxed public behavior, and the emergence of new variants like NB.1.8.1, which has been detected in Tamil Nadu.